Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, you'll see how ordinary encounters quickly turn into instant karma. Poor decisions, defiance, and reckless actions all lead to consequences you won't forget.
Sir, what's going on, man? You alright? You alright? One more time. Getting through?
Things quickly spiral out of control in a crowded Walmart parking lot. This intoxicated man refuses to follow commands and even attacks police officers, escalating the situation. However, he will soon regret his actions. The law does not show leniency to those who resist.
Turn back.
What began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalates. Even after being arrested for resisting an officer, she continues to argue and then attacks the police. This behavior only leads to more serious consequences.
No, that's not mine.
Watch your mom. Get back here. Are you Jasmine?
Yes.
You've hesitated on it twice now,
No,
so
I'm not.
you're just nervous because you know you don't have a good license?
Yes.
Like if I don't have a choice. Like there's certain things where I don't have a choice, right? But if I can figure out a way to not make that happen, I'll work with you. So like I said, I ain't trying to take someone to jail on this weather. Hey, come over here.
Get my kids out.
Give me the
Oh
child.
my God. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not going to tell you again. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Can I just see my kids? I just want to look at my kids, please.
Get in the car, Jasmine.
I just want to see my kids.
Jasmine?
Okay? Oh my God, sir, you're being like, I'm not trying to be difficult.
You're doing a really good job of being difficult.
I'm not doing nothing. You're being rude. It's your lesson for it. My daughter's right there. Stop. I'm not doing anything. Stop resisting. Why are you telling me? You're being aggressive to me. Okay, stop pushing. Okay,
Get in the car.
you're being respectful.
A nighttime pursuit turns into a heart-pounding chase as the suspect speeds recklessly, ignoring all danger. When he finally abandons the vehicle and attempts to flee on foot, his mistakes continue to pile up. In the end, his reckless journey comes to a close at the cost of his freedom.
Somebody tried to rob me. Please, you gotta believe me. I'm scared for my life, dude. Please, sir. I got you. I know it's bad how it looks. Look, I'm not running straight in my head. Please, sir. I don't understand.
Stay in the car.
What seemed like a minor traffic violation spirals out of control in an instant. The man refuses to cooperate and immediately attacks the police. The escalating situation forces officers to take him into custody.
Put your hands on your stomach now. 5-3. Boy, I need more now. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach now. Roll over. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands. You're under arrest. Put your feet under you. I want you to stand up. We're gonna help you out, all right? 1, 2, 3. Oh. I call him a bitch because he was being a bitch.
Come here.
Police respond to reports of a man shouting profanities and walking near a school while holding a hammer. Commands are issued, Challenges are shouted back, and when the loss of control reaches its peak, intervention becomes unavoidable. One impulsive act can lead to immediate regret.
Go ahead and take off your whole tool belt.
What's the charge? Get off my back. Let's come here. Get off. Come here. Get off. Get off. Take it off. I take it off. What's up with me? Why? You're doing this to me. I'm trying to what? All right, Johnny. Get up. That's it. Call 911. You hear me?
I was about to say, did he bite you?
He did, but he broke his neck.
Hey, Colonel, you want to roll your window down?
The driver refuses to roll down the window or provide identification, repeatedly challenging police authority. After lawful commands are ignored time and again, patience runs out. She will soon regret the choices she made.
I also had you doing 73 further down the road. I need your license, your insurance, and your registration. No, ma'am, you're not entitled to see my radar.
You're going to spend the night in jail. So are you prepared to spend the night in jail? Yes or no? Are you prepared to spend the rest of the night in jail? Huh? Okay, break the window and take her out. That's it.
Hey, that glass just went in my eye! Hey! Hey!
Lift her up and drag her over to the side of her car. We don't want her on the glass, though. Let's just move her over to her.
And if there is injury and scarring to my eye,
Can you just step by the car and talk to me at least? Can you come out?
Officers attempt to talk calmly, de-escalate the situation, and give Brent multiple chances to explain himself, but his lack of cooperation and decision to drive away push the situation out of control. The moment he ignores the final instruction is when everything changes. What could have ended peacefully instead turns into an unavoidable arrest.
Step out of the car. You are under arrest. Lay on the ground. Put your hands out. Lay on the ground. Lay on the ground. Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Put your hand out. I got it. Honestly, personally, I'd rather you know it. Stop. You're detained.
Police locate a suspect involved in a stolen vehicle hit and run. When stopped, the suspect argues, shouts, and refuses to comply with clear police commands. The moment the suspect charges directly at officers, ends any chance of a peaceful resolution. Resisting the law leads to only one outcome.
Why are you stepping up on me?
Goddamn car, motherfucker.
You're under arrest.
Get back in the motherfucking car. Be Jesse James or something. Why wouldn't you be Jesse James then?
You're wasting my time. Okay, I will be a prosecutor.
Waterbury police review 2 surveillance videos showing a suspect armed with a gun attacking civilians. When officers later locate him, he violently resists, causing the situation to intensify. In the end, resistance offers no escape. It only brings a dangerous chain of actions to a close, created by the suspect himself. The vehicle in this case is not legally roadworthy and the driver does not have a valid license. Instead of cooperating, she aggressively resists, escalating the situation. Within moments, what should have been a simple traffic citation becomes something far more serious. Resisting the law only makes things worse. After just a few drinks, everything quickly gets out of control. The woman screams, resists, and runs through the street. Her instability and resistance push the situation to a breaking point. Calls for cooperation no longer work, and the moment she turns and runs marks the final line. What should have been an effort to get her home safely ends in handcuffs. A routine traffic stop rapidly escalates when the driver repeatedly resists. Police are forced to use stronger measures to restrain and arrest him. He ultimately pays the price for his stubbornness. Challenging the law is never the answer. A traffic stop for a missing license plate quickly turns tense. The woman insists she is not subject to traffic laws and repeatedly refuses to cooperate. The more she argues, the more the situation escalates, turning a minor violation into active resistance. In the end, the law does not tolerate defiance.
Get out of the car!
What?
Get out of the car right now!
I haven't done anything! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, he was giving you a lawful order to get out of the vehicle, correct?
Yeah. Can you look him over and talk to? I'm allergic to air fresheners. Okay. So can I keep my head out? I'm really allergic.
A speeding stop quickly spirals out of control. Instead of cooperating, the driver argues, resists, and physically struggles with officers. The escalating situation forces police to use physical force and a taser. One impulsive decision turns a simple traffic violation into a very costly mistake.
Step out of the car now! I'm gonna step out! Turn around! Turn around! Get on the ground now! You're doing too much. Get on your back! Turn around! Hands behind your back! Hey man, get my car, please. I can't, bro.
Hello. How you doing? Good. How are you today?
What should have been a simple speeding violation quickly becomes a serious incident. When informed of his arrest, the suspect chooses to flee and engages in dangerous behavior. In just seconds of chaos, one bad decision after another pushes the situation to an extreme. He ultimately faces the consequences of his reckless choice.
Felony offense. There's no leeway with felonies in the state of Indiana. Now, maybe if it was a misdemeanor offense, I could work something out with you, but it's not a misdemeanor. And so I'm going to put your information right here for a sec. I want you to turn around, put your hands on you. Don't you do it, buddy! No. I'm shooting myself. No.
As we wrap up when people messed with the wrong cops, these moments remind us how fast choices lead to consequences. What do you think about these encounters? Which clip stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments.